Welcome back to the channel. It's the first time. Welcome. Today we're going to look at the multi-function unit for the Tamiya semi and see if we can get this in this truck before USTE. Good luck with this. So move this over a little. Get a look at this light unit. Kind of worried about opening this box. Kit comes with the semi kit comes with all this stuff in chrome, so I probably won't use none of the black. It does come with some kind. The speaker box. The instructions that I really can't read, but I can look at the pictures. I don't know if it's going to help. We'll see. Wire clips and stuff. Wire stickers so you know which ones are which. More hardware. This looks like the shaker unit. More screws. That's fun. Looks like some ceramic grease and a couple little screwdrivers. More screws and nuts and whatever. Not sure what's in here, but apparently it's very important because it's wrapped up really well. Oh, this is the shaker unit motor. Few of the LEDs. More screws. Unit itself, you can see where all the lights plug in. Control unit, aluminum tabs, not sure what they're for, so I guess we'll be finding that out. And then we have the speaker. I'm not going to have you guys sit through the whole process. I'll come back at certain points and show you my progress and we'll go from there. Alright, so I got all the wires tagged where they go. Luckily it was pretty straightforward. There's a couple little hiccups there where I had no idea what they were talking about, but this kind of puts into perspective how many wires we have to run. So yeah, I guess we should get to it because this is going to be a job. We're getting closer. We've got tail lights, brake lights, blinkers, fog lights. Got the ESC and the receiver wired ends, servos, the motor. I haven't done the fifth wheel hitch yet. It's a whole nother project. Got a little bit of glue drying, holding the wiring in place. Roof lights. I didn't get everything exactly where it goes, so I had to improvise because they don't want you to put seats in here. So the speaker's normally up here, and the speed control sits this way. The control unit, and then the shaker motor actually mounts roughly about in where the seat is. So I kind of compact everything into here so it'll be in the extended cab part of the sleeper of the truck. So hopefully that'll keep it so I can keep some seats in the front. Got the controls right here, but I can't find my hinge for the cover. I do have the cover ready to go somewhere here. So It'll look like that when it's on. I just gotta find the hinge. I don't know what I did with it. It's somewhere. So, gonna get the rest of this wired up, get the body on, and then tackle the radio part of it. Alright, so after a long evening from the afternoon, I got it wired up. I got the radio partially programmed. This unit was designed to be used with an analog radio, not digital, so some of the stuff isn't quite working yet, but I'm working on getting it. It's supposed to turn the lights on and off when I switch that. It don't want to do it. And they're also supposed to be able to shut the engine down, not driving off the table. We got some work to do. Stay tuned. I'll get you some updates if I figure anything out. If not, this is how it's going to be. Thanks for watching.